Hey friends, it's Akira and welcome everybody to another episode of According to WikiHow, where I search into the depths of WikiHow for some of their most classic and some of their most useful tutorials ever. Given the theme of my channel, I typically try to take anime and otaku related things, but you can never go wrong with some tutorials such as this, and this. But today we're going to be following the tutorial, how to live like anime characters. Cause everyone totally wants to do that, right? Are you tired of your boring life? Are you tired of just being human? Did you ever think you could just go Super Saiyan? Well, thanks to a generous soul on WikiHow, we have now been provided the answers. Let's see what this tutorial has to show us. Step 1. Expand your mind. Learn something new every day. Anime characters are always learning something new, whether it's a skill that they use to face a problem or a life lesson that changes them. Start being more open to knowledge when it's available. Expand my mind, huh?
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Dude, this vlog is gonna be how to be a YouTuber. Guys, it's not hard.
What is he barking at, bro?
I'm about 2 minutes in and I still don't know how to be a YouTuber. But I think I learned a new method from him on how to get better at YouTube. Guys, what is this manga? Chuchi, really? God damn it! Also go to sharkropa.com/akidearist for merchandise. It'll be in the link down below. Become a dearest. Did I mention I'm dying for views? I mean, I'm just dying. Step 2. Learn to understand and speak Japanese. Anime characters often speak Japanese, so learning the language is one of the most direct ways to live like an anime character. Use a language learning service, watch teaching videos, or simply get an English-Japanese dictionary and begin memorizing words. Slow down! Okay, I admit anime is never the way to go when you're trying to learn Japanese. So I decided to go look at probably the best program for learning Japanese.
ちょっと友人それはアキディアレスト。私たちはお金をいただきたいですか？コメント PLZ を得ることができますか？
I'm actually quite interested to see what this will translate into. Let's see what that's like.
Hey friend, it is Akidearist. Can we get a comment PLZ? I would like money. Also ring notification bell. Do you know my saying? Lol.
I wonder if I can text something over to Joey. Okay, we're gonna go English and then Japanese. Good morning, Joey. Let me know when you're free today. I'm up for whatever you want to do. I'm not sure what you have planned, but I think I'm going to be free or whatnot. Anyways, bye! Sure, I'm gonna go send that to him. So Joey finally replied, I got what you were saying, but it's not grammatically correct at all. And I just replied back saying, what do you mean it's not grammatically correct? Boy, I know more Japanese than you do in your entire life. Teach me a thing or two and I promise I'll slap you upside the head, boy. I don't know what that looks like to him, so we'll just see what he says back. You know what? Let's add an angry face. Yeah, that's good. Boy doesn't get it. Step 3. Use your imagination more often. Anime characters are always faced with difficult situations. They use their imagination to solve the problems creatively. Spend time daydreaming. Think of new ways to do the things you have always done one way. Write stories, or try to make up new inventions. Hi, I'm Dr. Aki, and up here in the facility, we've been spending years and billions of dollars to create you guys the best VR experience ever. We call it the VR Daydreamer. How this works is that we plug up some wires and some dangerous looking things to your head. It takes some of your deepest thoughts and kinks and projects them right onto the screen for you. Say goodbye to Prawn Hub and Hen Ham Haven. Now you can create your own fantasy with the VR Daydreamer. Now here we have a random volunteer that we met up on the streets to test out the VR Daydreamer. Let's see what some of their daydreams are right now. Oh God! Is that a jackhammer?
I'm Harry Potter.
What the hell is Harry Potter doing in there? Disclaimer, this VR is not for the fucked up. Step 4. Explore the big questions in life. Anime characters spend a lot of time thinking about discussing common themes like love, death, and purpose. Be more like an anime character. By spending more time exploring these enduring ideas, read about them, and talk with your friends to gather as many perspectives as you can. My moment to shine. What is the legal status of lolicon in Texas? Is the intentional viewing of pictures that depict minors in sexual scenarios illegal? If the graphics show images that are of people who are meant to look like children but are actually computer-generated images, that's not illegal. It's a crime to produce, distribute, receive, or possess it, or attempt to conspire to do so. Wow, so two people have two completely different outlooks on this. And everyone, hide your kana dojins now. Let's ask another question. How can an otaku get a girlfriend? That's so sad. 3 ways to date an otaku. Wait, I think I did something on this. I did do a video on this. Look at that. That was not planned, just saying. Step 5, speak to people confidently. Anime characters are confident and unafraid to speak their mind. Learn how to speak up for yourself rather than keeping quiet when you're criticized. Carry on a conversation like you have something important to say. When people ask what you think, give your honest opinion rather than saying what they want to hear. Hello? Hey dude. Hey dude, what's up? Hey, I just wanted to tell you, Sword Art Online wasn't really that bad. Hello? Hello? Hey, you hung up on me. What do you want? Yeah, I was gonna say that JoJo's Bizarre Adventure wasn't really all that great. Hello? If you're gonna be offended just because I said that Death Note was a great movie, hey! Some people just can't handle an opinion. I just wanted to say, the Otaku Bleach live action was pretty good. Oh yeah, that was a good movie. Yeah, I'm glad that we can agree with that, yeah. Also, Avatar's not really an anime, and I've lost faith. Goodbye. Number 6, perform karaoke. Why? A common tradition in Japanese culture, karaoke shows up frequently in anime. Does it? Find a friend with an old karaoke machine or a singing game on a game console and ask if they want to have a karaoke night. Find a local hangout that offers karaoke and sign up. Take a step out of your comfort zone and give it a try. Okay, I'll sing the only song I know how to. Kid walks slow with a dead blank stare. This girl's doing the same. So's he, and so's him, and so's him. I guess him too, and that guy too. This guy looks weird, and she looks weird. Hot girl. And those dang kids keep on breaking glass everywhere, which somehow turn into a bunch of flowers. Excuse And number 7, go outside and have adventures. Anime characters don't usually sit inside staring at a TV. I mean, I could name a few. If you spend a lot of time inside, start going outside more. Explore the woods behind your house. Go walk around downtown and meet strangers. Book a camping trip, hike a mountain, or travel to a faraway place. I don't think I'm meant to live as an anime character.